Hi, welcome back to the channel. We pick up today's video outside the Stay OK hostel in Soest with a short time lapse of us packing up before we set off. We stayed here last year. It's a lovely hostel, it's nice, and it's been perfect for us again. We had a spacious 6-bed dorm room between the 5 of us, and the bonus this time being we didn't have to dry out all the wet gear like the night before. Now leaving Soest, about 5 to 10 in the morning, sun's out, got some clothes on the back drying after last night's washing escapades and yesterday's rain. About 70 odd k today to Heemskerk, north of Amsterdam. The tunnel we're about to head down into here is the Alexia tunnel in Hilversum. It's a stacked tunnel and was completed in 2022, and I believe it's one of only 2 of its kind in the Netherlands. Vehicular traffic runs in the lower, longer tunnel, and cyclists and pedestrians use the shorter top tunnel. It was designed and built to cross a busy railway line and a busy bus lane whilst needing to overcome the lack of space available to create a standard tunnel where all users would be alongside one another on one level. This is only a very brief description of the tunnel, but if you want to know more about it, there's plenty of other videos to be found on YouTube. Happened, Matheson, what's happened here?
Nothing.
Nothing. So this looks like a spoke broke. Now, did you or did you not go down some steps yesterday?
No.
You sure?
100%.
Did you or did you not go down some steps yesterday?
There was no issues then. It was
This is the
Yep.
famous...
And then when did you hear the bang? Was it after you went down the steps?
No,
Aha.
it was well after.
Yes.
Mick?
Are you Mick?
Oh yeah.
I was about to say, I think there's a particular shop you need to take your bike to get the clicking added. That brings us to a close on day 4. We're just arriving at the hostel in Heemskerk after a reasonably dry day. The hostel itself is a converted 13th century castle complete with moat and an ornamental garden. A short walk later took us into town where we found a tapas bar for tonight's dinner. We did have to stay a little bit longer than planned as the rain decided to come down a bit later on, but as usual we managed to muddle through with some extra beers. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe.